Come with us. We're gonna go to the cake today. Alright, so we're already here. Kat's already inside because I was looking for parking and we were running late, so I just told her to go ahead. But anyway, she's already in there. She already has like a chair or a table for us, so I'm just going now. The keg. The table. It's kind of loud in here. Here's the menu. We're gonna get some appies and some meals. Show me your muscles. Comes with the bread, table bread. So we have the garlic cheese toast for an appy to share. How you feel? Good. I got some Cabernet Sauvignon just to pair with the steak. You want to smell it? Yeah. Smells sweet. Oh, there's a food.
Oh yeah.
Medium rare. Nice.
Medium rare.
Okay, that's our filet mignon. Is it? Okay, mine is a baseball sirloin.
And then
Yeah, they have like a big place. They'll have like one.
it is.
Or a couple of these. Yeah.
This is a lot. So full. So dope. So we're finally done. 6:30. We're gonna go downtown. So we are going downtown now to watch Frozen. Thanks, Tita Joy, and Tita Dawn for the tickets.
Thanks, titas. Thanks, Tita Joy and
Alright, I gotta go. Bye. Okay, we're already here. I don't wipe. I have to keep wiping this all the time. We're already here. We got parking, but it's like really close. And then this car right next to us is kind of stupid, but whatever. Hopefully they don't scratch our car, but yeah, I have to also be careful. Like, look at that. Why is that necessary? Okay.
can you even get out?
Yeah, I can. So my butt doesn't fit. I have to do that. Oh, Zippy. I can just pay for parking on my phone. It's fine. Did you get the... Okay, that's the plate number of the car. I think there's Zumba going on right now. Anyway, we're gonna go here. This is the Elizabeth Theater in downtown Vancouver. It's on Hamilton Street, I think. Yeah. Kanina nagsasayaw sila. Ay, nagsasayaw pa rin sila. Oh. Free event daw eh. Kanina ata, Zumba. I don't know. That's what it is. Free pop-up dance classes. There's Frozen. Here's the venue. That's to go inside. Some merch, stuffies, shirts. This is inside. Dyan, sa taas. We got this. We collect these. Guys, we are at row 3, like the third row. And then row 65. I mean, 65. OMG. Yeah, the row 3. Y'all, this is our seat. That's the stage. Yo, what the heck? Whoa. We've never ever been this close to the stage ever. This is so exciting. Like it's right there. What? It's right there. Crazy. So these ones, we collect these with every Broadway musical or like any musical that we go to. We collect these. Even the one from the Philippines, we have it. Frozen. And then it has all of the characters, cast information, their backgrounds. And then this one, we also watched this one, and it's also from Tita Joy. So, yeah. Cool. 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 So pretty. Ay, baliktad. So it's like the intermission.
First half.
Yeah, it's intermission for 20 minutes. First half. Damn!
Grabe.
Damn, Elsa! Damn, Elsa! So good.
Ang ganda.
So good.
Ang dami mga effect.
Ayun na siya ngayon. Kanina may Frozen siya na title. Ngayon, wala na. The orchestra is right there. And then the stage is right there. At layo pala ng stage from us, no?
Yeah.
Cool. Very cool. Alright, it's over. That was really good. That was just really, really good.
Sabi lang piso chips.
Guys, tapos na. Dito pala to sa likod ng ano, no? Ng stadium. Diyan kami nanood ng Beyonce over there. That was really good, guys. They're only here until 21. What's the day? The 19th. So there's like 2 more days to watch it. But yeah, that was... Where are we? Is this... Oh, okay. That was really good. Did you like it?
I love it.
Yeah, me too. My God. Alright, we're just gonna look for a car first, and then update you guys later. Where? Okay.
This is P1, right?
Alright. BRB, guys. Alright, we found the car. This always gets so dirty. But yeah, we found the car and the other car is still there, so which is good. They get out first before them.
Finally, nakalabas na kami, no? Good thing, yung parking namin nasa P1 lang. Like, nasa may exit lang. Maaga kami kasi, tama yung desisyon ni Kim na mag-aga kami kanina. Agahan namin kanina kasi ang dami talaga. And medyo limited yung parking doon talaga sa theater, doon sa Queen Elizabeth. So, miniigin na namin na agahan
Because
namin.
I remember the last time that we watched Pretty Woman, also sponsored by Tita Joy and Tita Don. When we watched Pretty Woman, we had to park like 2 blocks away from the venue. And then it was kind of far. But we were also late, kind of late for that one.
Totoo. Guys, sorry. Papakita ko lang sa inyo again. Ang moon, oh my God. Kasi nga full moon bukas. Ay, nasa na ba yun? Sa full moon bukas, kaya ano.
No, tomorrow ba? Sunday.
Sunday. Sunday pala. I thought it's Saturday. Oh my God! Ang fun! Friday pa pala ngayon.
Guys, that was so good. We were just talking about it, like in the car. When we got in the car, we were just talking about how good it was. And like, we were trying to figure out lots of things during the play. Because,
It's so
like,
hard na...
you know, if you guys watch Frozen, I know there's a reindeer called Sven. And the reindeer was there for, like, somehow.
And there's also Olaf.
Yeah, and Olaf was also there. It was crazy. It was
Yeah.
so good.
Imagine yung Frozen, 'di ba? Sobrang ang daming magic, not magic, pero ang daming pakulo nila, may mga snow and everything, may mga lights. They had it sa play.
True, and you could really feel like the Disney magic that they put in, like everything was just so good. It was like it was Frozen, you know?
Yeah. And
Whatever
every
you
time,
watched in the movie, it was just like it was live.
oo, ma-expect niyo dun. And you know, every time na nanonood kami ng mga plays, laging na-amaze kami. Hindi yung parang, okay.
True.
Kasi, parang iba-iba naman yung story ng pinapanood namin.
But you know, this one I appreciated so much because they had like the costume design, the set design, the props, the special effects, and then like they weren't just in one costume, they were in like multiple costumes. And it was such a big, I know, cast of people because we watched one. It was Come From Away.
Come From Away.
And
it
they
was
didn't have a lot of like, you know, like set changes, but this one had so much.
Like, ang daming props talaga nila.
Yeah.
Ang dami. Even nung
So
nanood tayo
good.
ng Hamilton, parang ano lang talaga din. Pero Hamilton's really good din. So
Hamilton is really good, like lyrically. That was really good. That's like a masterpiece. But like, and the set design for Hamilton too is pretty good.
Yeah.
But like the costumes are all like just one costume for the most part.
For the most part,
Pero
yeah.
ito, like, grabe
daming
over the
changes,
top
yeah.
talaga yung costumes. Like, crazy.
That's true. What about Wicked? Di ba nanood ka
Why
ng
are we
Wicked
stopped right now?
Nanood ka ng Wicked sa New York? What's happening? Sorry guys, just 1 second.
What the heck?
Sorry guys, naputol yung ano namin kasi may nagda-drive sa harap and then
I don't think they're used to downtown.
nag-stop siya tapos
go naman
go
kami.
naman na, but anyway,
See?
but anyway, yeah, si Kim nanood din siya ng Wicked sa New York
Yeah.
2 years ago, and how was it?
That was also good. It's like a classic play now, so people they just watch that one, but it's a classic because it's a classic story, it's a classic play. It's been on Broadway for like such a long time, so it's perfected, but that one also has a lot of like set design and costume, and production is also great because they're known for that.
For that, yeah. Anyway.
Pero like, this is my second to Hamilton, because Hamilton like can't be beat.
Yeah, that's true. Nanood kami ng Hamilton pala sa Calgary before.
Yeah.
2
But it
years
wasn't-
ago, a year ago.
Sana
2
we
years ago,
watched
yeah.
the original cast.
Yeah, I know.
Pero I think only a few people, like a few thousand, only watched that one, like the original. Yeah.
Sana nga yung original. Pero, maganda pa rin naman sila.
True.
But yeah, thanks again to Tita Joy and Tito Don.
I think I went too much.
Wait lang guys Guys, grabe ang moon.
You know, I feel like the contact lenses that I'm wearing right now is not good because my astigmatism, I can feel it.
Ay, diba?
Yeah.
Parang siyang light, no? Pero moon yan. Ang baba, guys. Pero ang laki.
It's so big on the camera.
No? Grabe. Dumaan kami ng gasoline station, guys. Nagpagas kami. Full tank na lang kami kasi for some reason tong station na to, mura yung gas nila. And sa ibang station, medyo mahal. So, dito maganda magpagas. And so, ngayon, nagpagas nga kami, nag-full tank kami kasi magko-cross kami ng border bukas. Ayan guys, so ang daming tao, ang daming line up dyan kasi maraming ang nagpapagas dito. Ayan o. Look. Diba? Daming papasok. Kasi daming magpapagas dito. Okay na?
Yeah, $34.
34 for a full tank.
We were at half.
Naka-half pa kasi kami. Kaya, ganun. Alis na kami guys kasi
Oh, so busy.
madaming madaming nakalinya. Let's go. Okay. Another angle of the moon.
We're not done with the moon.
Sorry yung glass namin hindi masyadong clear kasi hindi pa kami nag-car wash. But
How you disrespect?
how dare you disrespect Eddie? Sorry Eddie. Yos. Bakit pa ang ano ng camera mo? So blurry.
Anyways, shout out.
What shout out?
Wala lang, shout out lang. Wala
Shout
lang.
out to
Shout out to everyone. Hi guys, so we're home and we have a pretty early morning tomorrow, so we're gonna call it a night. Peace.